In this video, I'll show you how to add the RSI indicator to your charts and how to customize its settings. Before we begin, if you're not yet a TradingView user, I highly recommend you sign up for their free trial. You can use the link in the description below to get started. Once you're signed in, open the chart you want to add the RSI indicator to. For this example, I'll use the SPY chart. Next, click on the Indicators button located at the top of the chart. This will open a menu with a list of available indicators. In the search bar, type RSI and select the Relative Strength Index RSI from the list. The RSI indicator will now appear below your main chart. The values are numbers that indicate the length of the RSI calculation and the RSI moving average calculation. By default, each length is set at 14, which is commonly used. You can also customize its settings according to your preferences and trading strategy. To do that, click on the gear icon next to the RSI indicator name. This will open a window with various options for adjusting the RSI settings. You can change the length of the RSI calculation by typing a different number in the length box. You can also change the length of the RSI MA calculation by typing a different number in the RSI MA length box. The RSI MA is a moving average that smooths out the RSI plot and helps you identify trends and signals. You can also change the type of the RSI MA by selecting a different option from the RSI MA type drop-down menu. You can choose from simple, exponential, weighted, or other types of moving averages. Once you're happy with your settings, click the OK button. The RSI indicator will now be updated on your chart, complete with its plot and values. That's it for this video on how to add RSI to your TradingView charts. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.